To repair the shot pins, select a table with a vise and compressed air. You will need a ratchet, 7/16, 1/2, and 1/4 sockets, a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pack of hex keys, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4 or 3/8 drive torque wrench, a fine stone, and a small amount of grease. Maintenance for all shot pin units is basically the same. All maintenance should be performed on a bench with the unit clamped in a vise. Care should be taken not to clamp the vise too tightly on the body as to damage it. First step is always to remove all end of ram tooling. In this instance, a common L block and pin retainer configuration is used. The second step is to remove the shroud. The shroud is in place to protect the wiper, and the wiper is the only maintenance item on a Welker shot pin. The wiper is retained by 4 screws. Remove the screws. Slide the old wiper off the ram. At this point, we need to check the ram to be sure that there are no burrs in the holes that might damage the new wiper. It's a good idea to stone the ram over the holes to avoid injuring the new wiper. Take the new wiper and apply a small film of grease to the inside edge. Slide the wiper on. Carefully tighten the screws as not to crush the urethane. Crushing the urethane in the corners of the wiper can create pockets that will allow contamination to enter the space between the ram and the body. Pinch guards are an important safety feature on Welker pin packages with 3 inches of stroke or longer. Pinch guards prevent fingers from being damaged in the counterbores when the shroud retracts with the ram. Pinch guard creates a surface that will slide. Pinch guards must be removed to remove shot pin units from the fixture to get at the retaining bolts. When removing pinch guards, be sure to save the screws and be careful with the pinch guards. If the pinch guard becomes bent, bend it back, or when it is reinstalled, it will stick out on the sides, impeding the movement of the shroud and negating its effectiveness. Pinch guard is easily flexed back into shape and remounted. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, as this may also slightly deform the plastic. Maintenance on all Welker shot pin units is basically the same, old or new. The only recommended maintenance is the changing of the wiper. Cylinder rotation and ram rotation will probably only be done at the time of build.